Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Maggi and pasta. First, gather your ingredients. 1 packet of Maggi noodles, about 1 cup of pasta, and 2 cups of water. You'll also need a little oil or butter for cooking. If you like, chop up some vegetables, perhaps 1/4 cup of onions, to add extra flavor and nutrition. This simple combination makes a satisfying meal quickly. Now let's get the pasta cooking. Bring about 2 cups of water to a boil in a medium pot. Once it's bubbling, add your 1 cup of pasta. Cook it according to package directions until it's al dente, which usually takes around 8 to 10 minutes. After cooking, drain the pasta well and set it aside. This ensures your pasta is perfectly cooked before combining. Next, we'll bring everything together. In the same pot, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil or butter. Add the Maggi noodles, breaking them up slightly along with the seasoning packet. Stir this for about 30 seconds. Then, add your cooked pasta and about 1/2 cup of water. Mix everything gently to combine the flavors and textures. Finally, let's finish this delicious dish. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the Maggi noodles are tender. Give it a final stir to ensure all ingredients are well mixed. You can garnish with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor. Serve your hot Maggi and pasta immediately and savor this easy, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.